Hello everyone and welcome to the Blue Blouse channel. If you're new here, I welcome you, and if you're old, I welcome you same way, because without you my YouTube door would be closed. So I have 20 minutes to get ready and we are going to do an unboxing of a drawstring puff. Alright, so today's drawstring puff is courtesy of Beauty Elements Destiny in color number 1. As you can see, it is an Afro puff. Decided I wanted to do something different with my hair, and this has been sitting in my shopping bag for a little while. So we're gonna take it out right out of the package and we're gonna see what we get. So the hair itself is black, of course, and it has some curls, and it is in a hairnet. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that's what is going on in here. Oh, for the maintenance, they give you instructions that you must wash it in cold water and shampoo for about 10 minutes. To wash it, just switch it gently. All of this is done with cold water. Use of conditioner is highly recommended. And of course, because this is synthetic, do not use heat. Do not brush while it is wet. Once it's dry, you can brush it. So that is the basic care instructions. So I took the hairnet off. This is what the texture is looking like. Very far from my hair texture. This looks like a 3C thing going on, but I can always, ruffle the curls and afro it out a little bit more. Even though it's not my exact hair texture, I think it will blend just fine. So right here you can see the inside. This is the silica gel packet, which I'm going to take out, of course, and the stuffing. And on the inside, it doesn't have any combs. A lie. It has one comb. It has one comb here and the drawstring. So you can see that this part has an elastic band that they have run through an adjuster, so you can draw it tight. And as you can see, the hole is minimized. Draw it down like that. It fits. When you want to take it off, you just press the little clip on here. So this is the clip that you can press. As you can see, it goes in and out. Alright, goes like that. And of course, you can widen it to fit your hair on. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my hair into a ponytail. It was in a ponytail this morning when I came from work. So I'm just gonna use this canvas that is already here, and of course I'm going to use the Arctic wax as my holding product and one scrunchie. That's all I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any hairpins, and I'm going to tie the edges and tie down the hair so that my hair can dry properly. Have my gel here, or should I say wax. Real time is when I'm going to do this in. Not using any edge brushes or anything. I'm just using the comb to smooth my hair, and that's it. So since my hair was, smoothed last night, all I need to do is put gel on it and continue. Right, now that I have it tightened on top of my head, I'm not gonna do it so tight. Now that I've joined the long hair club, hopefully when I give it this much space, the hair that I'm gonna put on the top will camouflage all that bulk. So that's why I'm not even worried about whether or not it's locked. So I'm gonna slather some more hair wax. The back is really poofy. You see how poofy that is? We're gonna hide all of that underneath the gel. Alright, if it seems like I have put a lot of gel in my hair, that's because I did. Alright, for the edge part now, I'm just adding a little extra and working it in with my fingers. So all this, and I still haven't brushed my hair. So I'm going to close the gel now. I'm trying to hurry up because my 20 minutes is turning into 10 minutes. And I also want to have a longer time for this to sit. So I'm going to let the hair set without the ponytail. Or should I say puff. I'm going to let it sit. And do everything else. Shower, pack my bag, everything all in the space of what is now 10 minutes. I should probably be tied this way since the front has more security in terms of the first band. I'm hoping this ponytail will hide a lot. Alright, now I'm going to get ready in 5, pop my bag in 2, and let's pull time out of nowhere. So I pulled an extra 5 minutes out of thin air. Don't know how that's possible, but I did. And take my time and pull that off. The gel is semi-dry. Alright, that's what we're working with. Now for the ponytail, we break the tag off. Then I find the comb and pull it to the back. So I go down and up with the comb and see that I go hole. This comb is pretty hard to maneuver, I don't like it. Let me see if the drawstring will move with the comb. This is only flicking up the comb. Alright, so we're gonna put the comb closer to the ponytail. The comb in this. Alright, let me loosen this back up. This is harder than I thought it would be. Alright. So I'm now loosened back up. Let me navigate this part over the dumpling. Alright. So I first put all of it over the dumpling. Let me try to see if I can situate this comb so I don't have to use any hairpins. I hate hairpins. I'm trying to look for an easy night shift, you know what I mean? It doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. Now to hide this, I'm just gonna carry it around and put it over this part. I don't even know if you can see it, but I just put it back over the black piece. And this is my hairstyle. What do you think? This is not the string, this is a random rope twist. What do you think? I think it brings my big head together. Like, look. It can be tied down some more. What? That's the look, guys. What do you think? Let me bring up the post a little higher so that you can see it. Wow, this boy is just out here embarrassing me. So look at it. This is what it is looking like. Let me do a 360 for you. That's gel that's not completely dried because, you know, I did this as a quick hairstyle. So I feel so nice with this, and it's not tight at all, surprisingly. I don't think it's gonna move. Don't think it's gonna move at all. Here I am 12 hours later and my hair looks brand spanking new. The sunlight is showing the difference between my natural hair color and the hair color. My hair color is usually a 1B number 2, especially when I put product in it. It's a number 2, and I tied it down some more after I came off the video. And as you can see, it's still holding up well. I did sleep on it. Morning. I did sleep on it, so you know the gel is not as, what should I say, the integrity has fallen a little bit, of course, with time, but it's still neat, being that I slept on it. And I'm going to show you some footage of it passing through some breeze. Let me tell you. These people did a very good job. I can see the back is not as poofy because I tied it down some more. It's bye from the Blue Blouse channel. See you again next time, and be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe.